area somewhere and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a video, and hit the like button if you like today's video. Let's get into the video. Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So for today's video, it's been kind of a long time since I posted a video. I just kind of want to get back into it. So today or a couple weeks ago, I was kind of just planning out the week of a couple weeks of videos. So I have 2 weeks worth of videos completely done or planned out and ready to film. So today, today's video is kind of, I guess, like a game or like a challenge thing for you guys. So I got this idea from Allie Glinas, her YouTube channel. So I'll link that video down below and her channel. It's black and white makeup challenge. So I'm going to turn it to black and white, and you guys have to try to guess what colors I'm using when I apply it. I'm not going to say the brand, the color, or anything like that. I'm just going to tell you what I'm applying, but not really tell you what I'm applying, if that makes any sense. I don't know. So yeah, I already have my full face or not full face, I just have my foundation on and my eyebrows on. And I just wanted to kind of show you guys what I have on right now. So this is the Eyebrow Dream Look micro pen. Just has like that. It's like a fork focus. Bristles on it. I don't know, I kind of like it. This is a new product. I'm going to do a full face of new products, but I'm still waiting on one more product, so I won't quite do it yet. I have pretty much everything, just one product. So yeah, and then for foundation, I think I've already showed this in my channel, on my channel before. This is the purple trublend foundation, and this is no, natural finish. No, I guess L1, I have no idea. That's the foundation I'm going to use. And then this is actually another new product. This is the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo concealer. What was the other one? Hydrating Camo concealer that I have. That one was too light for me. This one is medium peach. I think I just had peach. So this one is a little bit better. And then to set the concealer in foundation, I have the Caprice Baking Sun Loose Powder, and that's what I have used to set my foundation and concealer. I completely forgot to show this too. This is actually, I also found this product on Allie Glinas' channel. This is the Milani Green Goddess Sleep Mask plus Primer, and I absolutely love this. This is one of my favorites. It's great. To prime the eyes, I'm using a kind of like almost like a paint pot, I would say. But this is the Burts eyeshadow primer. This is for, I guess, all skin types, I guess. So I'm actually not going to put the black and white filter on now, just because I'm not exactly starting the colors yet. Okay, so I'm going to take the first color and I'm going to put it into the crease. So I'm actually mixing kind of 2 colors on the brush, and then kind of putting that into the crease. Pick up a little bit more. doing the other side really quick. Okay, so now I'm going to take a darker color. And down in the comments, I want to know your guys' guesses of what colors you think I'm using. And I will do a reveal of the colors at the very end with my blending brush. Just blend the edges of these two colors together. Now we're going to use let's see, okay, another color in the outer corner. I'm just going to place it out in the corner and then work it out into the crease just a bit. So now I'm going to put a color right on the lid. Not good. Oh. Okay. Above my eye. Okay. Then I'm going to take the first color that we used. I'm just going to lightly put it under the lash line. Then I'm going to take the color that we used on the outer corner and put that not all the way. I'm going to put that on the outer part of my lower lash line. Okay, so now we're going to go back to the face now. I'm going to use a color on the cheekbones. And then anywhere else I feel like I need it. And I'm going to take a color on the cheeks. Above where I placed the color on the cheeks. And any other places I want, or any high places. Now I'm going to use a color on the lips. Okay, so I'm going to come back, put lashes on, or I'm going to put lashes on, come back, and then we will do the color reveal. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So, I had so much fun planning this look. Like, I used crazy colors, and yeah. I used yellow, purple, blue, red. Yeah, and then for the blush, I used, no, let's go with the bronzer. I used the Wet n Wild Color Icon bronzer. Yeah, it doesn't say, there's no color, but it's like, I don't know, when I got it, I didn't realize that it was kind of sparkly a bit, but I mean, I still like it, it's nice. So I got that, and this is the Wet n Wild blush in Pinch Me Pink. I really like this one. This one's really pretty. And then I used my Kiss Natural Lashes. This is another moving that I got a duo clear lash glue, and the other lash glues that I have used do not smell like latex, and this one does. And this is the first time I have ever used this one. I still can't get used to it. It's whatever. And that's what I used, and then I used my Sky High Lash Sensational waterproof mascara. Oh, and then for lips, I used a blue kind of Revtobian paint. I used this one here. I just used my Eyebrow lip brush for that. I also used this to apply the lash glue to the lashes. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one. Bye!